everyone, I'm Rachita. Today I'll be painting on a subject that probably is everybody's favorite topic since childhood, that is candies. For that I'll be using a A6 watercolor sheet with two round brushes. For paints I'll be using Himi Gouache. Let's start with red color which is appealing to the eyes. I'm planning to paint a Christmas themed candy while you can paint in different colors, shapes and sizes. Painting it alternatively so that it makes a red and white combination. Moving on, using the same shade of red for the second candy and painting it alternatively. For the blank areas, I'm gonna keep it white, but to make it look realistic, we'll add a tint of grey for the highlights and shadows. I'm using beige for the candy stick. To give it a Christmassy look, I'm adding a bow tied around the candies, and for that I'm using red and green shade. Slightly add white where required for the shine. I am using Himi Gouache for my artwork, but you can use different mediums that you are comfortable with. Add green borders to the ribbon to make it look different and attractive. Be careful while making strokes at the end of the ribbon so that it doesn't get smudged. Make sure your painting looks vibrant and eye-catching. Also enjoy the process while you are creating it. To make it look perfect for the holiday season, I am using a light blue shade in the background and creating white bouquet with round brush to make it like snow. And we are done. Hope you liked this tutorial and found it helpful. If you are interested in learning different art forms, please feel free to DM me on my Instagram handle iHeartArt. Thank you so much for joining. Happy painting!